Hey, are you looking for an e-commerce website for your store? Confused on how to make your site work? Excited to have a site for your store? No worries. It's not that complicated as you think. Let's see how to create an e-commerce site in this video. So welcome to the channel all about WordPress. So importance of having an e-commerce site or app is much more clear during this COVID period. People prefer shopping through their stores or so let's not waste time. Start building our site, right? So first thing that you have to take care of is to select a platform. So selecting a platform for your online grocery store is the first step that you have to do. So there are a lot of e-commerce platforms in the market like Magento, Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, etc. So what I prefer is I don't need to spend more time, more money to build a website, but I need a stable one. So my personal preference is going to be WooCommerce, which is running on WordPress. In fact, that among top 1 million websites, half of the websites are based on WordPress. So you can choose your theme for the website. If suddenly you want to have some extra features in your site, there are a lot of extensions available in WooCommerce. So the extensive set of plugins, themes, and add-ons provided for WordPress can make a grocery store function beautifully. Moreover, a free platform like WordPress WooCommerce is perfect to start off with. So you only need to worry about setup costs if you need to add any add-ons or you need to do some customization through some build, so the paid plugins or themes. So the first step is done now. We have selected a platform for our e-commerce site that is WooCommerce. So the second thing that you have to be taken care of is the hosting provider. So there are many WordPress WooCommerce hosting services like GoDaddy, Bluehost, Cloudways, SiteGround, etc. So I'm not going to dig into each and every hosting providers and talk about their advantages, disadvantages, etc. GoDaddy offers WordPress hosting with free domain, and they have a good support system too. And it's always very important to choose a platform and hosting provider, whatever be it, which has a good support so that we can reach out to them very easily if we have any issues or if we are facing any problems. So it's always good to choose a platform which gives a good support too. So here I'm going to choose GoDaddy. So when I click on Get Started, I'm going to get a WordPress site with the domain that I choose. And they have some plans that you can see in their website. They're going to say to it. So I'm not going to dig into more into it. So I have already created a WordPress site. You can see it over here. This is my normal WordPress site. So my normal WordPress site looks. So I'm just going to change my this site into an e-commerce site, to a more specific a WooCommerce site. So now to get into the WordPress dashboard, which has lots and lots of customization options, the do/wp admin to the site. I have and last for username and password since I have already saved it. Just came into this page. So if I'm gonna add WooCommerce plugin, I'm going to do it from plugins, add new. I'm gonna search for WooCommerce, install now, activate. So here comes setup wizard. So get your store up and running. Not with what new videos experience. Yes, please. So this one does one first store here. Where just gonna do some random things. Choose. Yeah. City. That's the random password. Activate. Get improved. Here comes the pop-up. Get improved features and faster fixes by sharing non-sensitive data. No personalized tracker stored. Yes, on me. So you have to pick up which your site or what you're gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell fashion products. There will be physical products, whatever that you have. Just gonna leave it. Another one we would love to know if you are just getting started or your business in place of products plan to display. Just gonna give. Uh, so I don't have any products yet. Currently, I don't have any platforms. If you want to do market on Facebook and see MailChimp, Google Ads is all our extensions. It's nice to see it. Marketing on Facebook. Grow your business by targeting audience on Facebook. That's really nice. And I'm gonna have already set a theme over here. I'm gonna show you how you have to add a theme from the WordPress dashboard itself. So let it be the current one. You can select another one too. See, you want to go to the store and all, there are lot and lot of themes available. If you want to change it, you can change it from other also. So for now, I'm gonna skip this step. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, it's all up to you. What are the things that you have to select? You can choose whatever you want. And from the options, so just gonna do it. Rough steps. Woohoo! You're almost there. Continue. So this is my dashboard. I need to set up each and everything. So I'm gonna add my product. So for this, before doing the setups, let me show you how to add a theme from the WordPress dashboard. So you can go to Appearance Theme section. I'm gonna add storefront, which is a free one. So if you don't have this over here, because I'm having this here because I already installed this theme, or else you can go to add new and search for storefront. So storefront, you can see it over here. There will be an install button just like this. I already installed it and now I just need to activate. This is a free one, so I have to pay for it. Yeah. Now I'll let my dashboard. Yeah, here comes an option over here from when you're activating it. You can see design your store. So this will give me some templates on my front page and some dummy products too. So that's really required now since we don't have any products. Just adding it. That's cool. So now some products, some dummy products will be added to the site. You can skip this if you don't want to. I'm gonna add it. Here comes the customization part of it. It's up to you, like you want to add header, footer, if you want to do something else with the layout themes. What are the customization can be done from here though. So I'm not gonna do anything, just do as such. I'm publishing the theme. So yes, and if you wanna add more products, you can go to the product section, click on add new. So before that, let me show you the products that I added over here. Use the storefront theme. See, these are the dummy products that I just import from the theme. You can see it over here. And if you want to add products, you can also do it using a CSV file by clicking on import section. And you can add a file from here by choosing a file, or you can add it by manually. I'm gonna add new product, just so, so giving a regular price, giving a sale price. I can add an image, just gonna, okay, it doesn't match the title, right? Let me test. So I have, if I want to add more images, you can read from here. And there are some other options too, like inventory, shipping, link, etc. You can do one by one. I'm just gonna publish this product. So let me show you how my site looks now. See, it's just changed to a WooCommerce store. So many stuffs over here. Shop page. Okay, let me show you the product that we just added. You can just search for it. See, this is the product that we manually added over. So this is how you add products. Now let's go to the WooCommerce settings. WooCommerce settings side. Here are some general sections over here. If you want to add the tax rates, you can enable this one. If you want coupons, so many steps are over there. So I'm just going to go with the shipping. So currently I don't have any shipping methods. So I just add a zone. Yeah. Sellable, yellow. I'm gonna add some methods. Adding a flat rate method. These are all the default steps. This one add a cost. If I want to add a shipping charge, I'm gonna add it here. I can add some free shipping stuffs. And if I'm edited, then you can do whatever the specification like. Some stuffs are already. So, so I just added a shipping zone. I need payment gateways, right? So you can see the payment section over here. So these are all already the default ones of the WooCommerce. I'm gonna enable the cash on delivery, yeah, direct bank transfer. If you want to set up it, you can just go to the setup, just enable it already there. Yeah, for the basic stuff that you have to do in WooCommerce, there are a lot of things that you can set it up. There are a lot of options over here. Let's see that sets your site. Gonna select a product and do the complete checkout first. I'm gonna buy it. So I'm just gonna add it to the cart. I have a cart option also over here. It's added. I've added the product to the cart. If you want to cancel the shipping over here, you can do that too. So very easy. You haven't done anything, right? So the whole site is set up. Just gonna purchase this product and I'm gonna give some random values to checkout fields. So selecting this and the shipping method only for India. So I'm gonna give some random data, random password, random phone number too. Here, see, you can see the shipping methods over here. Even you can select free shipping or flat rate, whichever available. You can even have a condition over here, like if cart amount is this much only, then you need to be free shipping. It's just extra features, just extension of the features here. So I'm just gonna do the cash on delivery. I'm gonna place the order. There it goes. I've set it up the site. I have received an order. And if you want to see the orders from the admin side, see, gonna look over order section. I've got an order over here. So it's pretty much very easy to set up an e-commerce site using WooCommerce. I've hosted it. I have the site completely set it up. So see, and it took much time to. It's very easy to do. And you can also easily create a mobile app for the WooCommerce site also. So I'm not going to explain this video, maybe in the next video. So that's all, guys. Thank you.